Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a DIY Little Angels piano room dollhouse. And in this box I got instructions in black and white, but they were English. You have the sides and the floor. And inside this bag we've obviously got the wallpaper, presents, flooring and other things like books, pictures from the wall on that one. And then on this plan, it tells you exactly what piece goes where, and the same with that, and it shows you what individual sheets go with which piece of wood. This kit is different than some of the others that I've put together, as everything was already cut out for me, and even the cushions were sewn down most of the sides. It came with glue, a knife, scissors, some tweezers, and a little plastic ruler. In this pack, as we can see, it's all the wooden objects, and that's a little piece of wood to make a parcel. That's all the pieces for the piano, including the vase and the flowers and the little ornament, the Eiffel Tower. In this one we've got the coffee table and the cake stand, and that is the rocking chair. And that is the set of drawers and a little lamp. And that's the piano stool. And here's your window and window frame. And here's all the pieces to make the sofa, including the padding. And as I say, it's already all cut out for you. And that's the little cushions. This kit hasn't got a light in it, but it would be very easy to add your own light, and you can easily pick them up from the pound shops. So stay with me for the next video and I'll show you how we put it together. Now thanks for watching, please subscribe and leave a comment below if you'd like me to make anything else. Bye!